Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, we'll be going over report types. Now, what are report types? Now, I look at report types as something like a template that makes reporting easier. Now, report type determines which fields and records are available for use when creating a report. So, to get to report types, type in report, and then right at the bottom, you'll see report types. Click on that, and it will take you to this page right over here. Click continue. Now, there are two types of report types. One is standard, and the other is custom. So, as you may know, anything standard in Salesforce is already created and deployed for use. Now, anything custom is obviously built by the end user via system administrator of your org. So, let's create a custom report type. Now, before we create a custom report type, what exactly is the reason why do we create a report type? Well, as mentioned earlier, report types are used for reporting. So whatever fields are available from the object is what we report on. So in many cases, custom report types may help you fulfill some requirements to report some fields that are needed and what data needs to be shown for the other end users. Now, for this example, let's do accounts. Let's do accounts and let's do accounts and opportunities. Use for reporting. Now, store in category. So, think of these as folders where you want to store your report types. Because when you go to reports, you're going to click new report. Now, what happens is you'll get a list of report types. And right here on the left in this prompt, you'll see a list of categories as shown in the previous tab. So each of these categories have a list of report types. So let's go back to report types and let's store this one in opportunities. For deployment status, let's deploy immediately for use. Okay, as you can see, the primary object is accounts, and let's select a related object. So for this related object, we said opportunities, correct? So opportunities, and as you can see in this Venn diagram, it appears to be an inner join. So if you guys are familiar with SQL, joining is something very imperative. Joining in general just means combining rows, records from multiple tables. So inner join it selects records that have matching values in both tables. So common values from both objects in this instance. If you select this option right over, each A record must have at least one related B record. Now, what happens if we select the second option? So, A records may or may not have related B records. So, this one appears to be a left outer join. Now, with the left outer join, pretty much what occurs is it displays records from every unique combination of matching records between two objects. But it will show records for every parent record that does not have a child record. So it's going to return pretty much all the rows from the parent, and it will show the common value, related values with the parent, but it will also show parents where there isn't any related child records. And you can also add another object. But for this demonstration, I am going to do only 2 objects in this report type. All right, and let's just keep it inner join, and let's save it. All right, we have a report type. Now, remember earlier I said the availability of fields and records for the report type. You can edit the layout. All right. So total fields in layout, 98. That's a lot of fields. You can keep it as it is, or you can get rid of some. So right here on the right, we have a view for the account fields and opportunity fields. You can also add fields related via lookup, and it's looking into the account path. So you can add lookups, as many lookups as you want, but I think it's best if you do add related fields from the objects. You create a new section, which you can by clicking create new section, just to keep it separate, organized and clean. And you can name it. You can say, account lookups, lookup fields, or whatever you would like to call it. Press OK, and it's right here. And you can drag and drop, get rid of some of these fields if you like. So what if I just want to get rid of website? You hold it, drag and drop until this appears, this little box, and you drop it. And for opportunities, what if I just want to get rid of, say, push count, for example? And just as you notice, it changed to the opportunities field. You can also add fields from the related fields from the opportunities. So let's just add a few from the account fields, just because I created a section. Let's do parent account. Let's just pick some random ones. Phone, rating, number of locations. Okay. And they will have magnifying glasses, but I don't want to keep them in accounts. I could in the account section, but I just want to move them down. Number of. All right. That is done and over with. Let's, you can also preview the layout. All right, and let's save it. New reports. All right, we're practically in all category by default. Well, let's go to opportunity and see if it's there. Okay, yeah, it's here. Click on that. It's highlighted. Continue. Alright, now you can see this is by default the report name, but not the report type. The report type is right over here when you select the report type. Alright, when you click here, the flyout, you'll see all the fields available. So we got accounts and opportunities, and then we do have our account lookup fields. So let's just alright, so here's just a sample report. As you can see, the whole purpose of the video is just to show you how to create a custom report type and to show you what fields are available when creating these custom report types. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.